Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome. We are streaming on YouTube and Kick successfully. So if you don't have YouTube, head over to kick.com. You can follow us there as well. We are up on the wire. We got continuous jobless claims coming out in 3 minutes. Initial jobless claims coming out in 3 minutes. And then that'll be it for the news today. So we get the news up front. We'll see how the market's going to react today. Good morning, JDM, Kevin Curtis, Debbie Bass. Good morning to you guys. We are, let me see the chat over here. Let me pull this up. How's the music? Is it too loud? Is it good? You can hear me clear, everybody? All right, we got the chat up, so we're good here. JDM, Kevin Curtis, Debbie Bass. Can you hear the music and me clearly? We're going to get started here in a little while as we start getting pushed out on the streams, hopefully. Rita Powder, what's up, baby? Powder, how do we sound? Is the music okay? Can you hear the music clear? Can you hear me clear? Good morning, everybody. If you are here for the first time, give us a follow, give us a subscription, give us whatever it is you got to give. I'm on Kick too. Yes, we are streaming live on Kick. Let me know, JDM, if you can see me over there. I see me over there. What's up, Ross? I get all real names on this one. I can see all your real names now. Sounds good. Good. All right, guys, we're going to get started here in about a minute. We're going to start off. Everything will stay the same as usual. And we're just going to be hammering away here until we get an answer from everyone else. You know what I'm saying? Let me adjust these. I was playing around with something yesterday. So let me just adjust these a little bit so you can see them better. Hold on 1 second. Whoops. Don't want that. That's good. Good. And then on the 8, we're good. Okay. Good. JDM, you see me over there on Kick? Terry, what's up? What's up, Terry? I don't think it's private mode over there. I think we're good. Auto, good there. 1080. So we're good there. So we'll see what we get. What's up, everybody? Keep guys, also in YouTube. Yo, Tyler Graves, tap the live. Tap. Just like you would on TikTok. Tap her out, baby. Tap her out. This is going to be more of an intimate setting right now. Let me check something before we get started. Nope. And let me head over here. Nope. Okay. Miranda, Candy, JB, Deanna. Hello, everybody. Hello. I just want to make sure that I am on Kick. I am live. Like, I'm not, whatchamacallit. Not private. Let's see here. No, we're good. All right, we're going to get started here, guys. We're not going to worry about it. I have all the chat right here. 29 right now. And keep tapping, guys. Just tap the screen, and you'll see the same thing as we were over on TikTok. Right now, we got the SPY 2-minute. This is more of an intimate setting for all of you, so you all may like that. We are currently right now, as we head over here, On SPY, we're going to head over to the daily first, and we are back almost to those all-time highs as we came off of that 8. We're pushing up. We're getting a gap up on this. We're at 585.05 currently. 585.05. Let me put this back. Let's take that off. And then we head over to the 2-minute right now. We have a big gap up. We're in position 3 on this. You know you have your pivot coming up right here at 585.30. So you have to get over that. And SPY's doing what it's been doing. So it is what it is on SPY. On SPY, though, you're in a neutral to wider state now, so keep that in mind. So you can look for a rejection probably at that pivot over there. Can you see the Amy? Hello, Diciendo. Good morning to you. On Kick, I got to change it actually. We are Voss, the Voss trading on Kick, the Voss trading. Over there on Kick. I see 2 viewers. Welcome over there on Kick, everybody. We're on Kick for the first time. We'll be on every day for you, Monday through Sunday here. And good morning, Mr. Dave. Everyone see the screen clear? Can you see the prices clear as well before we continue? I want to make sure you can see everything clear, traders. Okay? So put it in the chat. We're going to head over to AMD. AMD this morning right now. We are, let me put the whip zone up here. We're going to go over to the daily. We're at 160.09, okay, here on AMD. Daily 200 is in your way there, 162.50. So AMD has a 200 in its way at 162.50. Good, beautiful. Hey, Joe, how are you over there? We're going to head over now to the 2-minute. And as we know, we got, well, hold on. Let me get this right. 160.10. We got a gap up on AMD. You're in position 3. On the hourly right now, you're above the 20. You are above the 20 SMA here on the hourly on AMD, but you got your 200 in your way here on AMD, okay? So remember, you got your 200, your 20, and your 8 lurking right in this area at 162.50. So keep the daily in mind if you're trading AMD to the upside with this big gap, okay? We're going to head over to Apple right now. Apple, here we go. Here we go, traders. What do we got going on here? Apple, we're at 233.68 currently. We're in a gap up, same as AMD. Everything's gapping up pretty much this morning. SPY's gapping up. You're starting to get into that wide state at Apple. You can look for a pullback on this. If we head over to the hourly chart, your next pivot on this is 234. 234 whole number. 234 major resistance level right there. Whole number and pivot. You can look for a rejection off of that on Apple. NVIDIA, what's up, Amy? Fish Nyack, what's up, JoJo? JDM El Polo Loco, what's up, El Polo Loco? Woo! What's going on over there? Polo Loco. NVIDIA, that's funny. You crack me up, man. Oh, Lordy. Oh, do all of you have a different name for every platform? That's hysterical. I use the same thing. I don't give a shit. All right, here we go. NVIDIA right now. We are humming at 139.98. Hold number 140. Let's go, NVIDIA. You know why. All right, we're at 140 here. We're in position 3 to the upside. 140 whole number, major resistance level right there. We're going to pull this back, and we're going to head over right now to our hourly chart. We're going to go to our daily. And what do we got here? Yeah, that's big rejection right there. 140 and 141, you have major resistance. You're about to hit that double top on the way up there, so be careful on NVIDIA. I'm looking for a pullback possibly today on a lot of these because we're in neutral to wide states here on NVIDIA. Good morning, Mark Meza. How are you? If you are here for the first time, everybody, hit that subscription, hit that follow button if you're on Kick or if you're on YouTube. We will be on every day, Monday through Sunday. Let me put my do not disturb on. I'm getting text all over the place. Let's go over to Google. Yes, Google it is. What do we got here on the Googs? Let's map it out. We're in the whip zone on Google. You're in the whip zone. Google has to get itself back over 167 to the upside or under 166.29 to the downside. That is what Google will have to do. If Google does get over 166.80 to the upside, it has room up to about 167.26, 167.30, and then 160.50. But if we head over here on Google, we're in that neutral to wide state as well. So be careful with longs today, everybody, okay? On a lot of these, we're going to head over to Boeing right now. Boeing is in same boat, whip zone, same things going on. You see how a lot of these stocks are doing the same thing, whip zone, neutral to wider state. We head over to the hourly. If you do get over that whip zone, you will be over to 200 on the hourly, and then Boeing may get a push off of that 200 above 155 to the upside, okay? 155. If you get over that 155 level to the upside on this, you will have room up to 157 on Boeing. Boeing will have room up to 157. Might not be 12 inches long, but it smells like a foot. Microsoft. What do we have over here? We're going to make mods on YouTube also. We're going to start off with our normal mods. I got to figure out how to do that. But in the meantime, it is what it is right now. We are in the abyss. Microsoft, we are at 419.02. You're at that whole number currently on Microsoft. 422, you got your 20, your daily 20 right there. So be careful with that. All right, 419, you are up there in position 3. Are we going long anymore on this, traders? No. Be careful for longs. You're all the way up there. We head over to the hourly. You're hitting into these pivots right here. All right, 419. You also got your pivots. If you can crack, if Microsoft cracks 419, we have room up to Microsoft has room up to 421 on the soft. It might not be 12 inches long, but it smells like a foot. That's funny, man. SMCI. SMCI. How do you guys like it over there on the tubes? How do we like the tubes? Yeah, we'll do Johnson & Johnson. It's amazing the delay. It's about a 40-second delay from you to me. No gifts over here, Foreskin. So save up when we get back on the TT. There's a big argument going on right now, so just bear with it as we work through this, okay? J&J, here we go. We haven't done this one in a while. J&J, whoops. Let's see what we get here on J&J. We're in position 1 to the down. I can't say we. Johnson & Johnson is in position 1. I got to start training myself. Johnson & Johnson is in position 1 to the downside. On the hourly, you know Johnson & Johnson has 163 support right there. You see the 20 and then the 200. So be careful with shorting Johnson & Johnson. If it can get back over a 165 whole number on this, then it has room up to 166 on Johnson & Johnson. SMCI, I forgot to do. Woo! Are we having fun? Are we having fun, traders? All right, let's go back over here. Boom. Boom. SMCI, $50.76 currently right now. You're in position 2. I can't say you're. I got to get used to this. SMCI is in position 2 to the upside. On the hourly, you know your next stop on this is right here at 51.40. 51.40 is the next stop on SMCI. 51.50 area, you will find, you will find rejection up at that level. Uber, yes, let's go. Good. I can see all these chats nice and clear over here. Uber, and I can see it down here. Where was that Uber one? Devin, there he is. Don't forget, VIPers, we have training tonight at 7:15 p.m. Eastern time. Our education platform is open. our VIP, just head over to my YouTube profile. You'll see our link, the Voss Trade. Can someone put in theVossTrading.com into the chat? Let's see on this platform if it takes it. Head over to theVossTrading.com, become part of our VIP, $25 a month or $275 for the year. We are going to go over here right now and Uber. 79.69. You're under the daily 8. That's good. We're going to go backwards here. You're filling this gap. You still got room down to 78.25 here on Uber to fill this gap. On the 15-minute, you're under. Oh, Uber's got problems. You're under the 200 and the 2-minute. You're in a narrow state. Uber to hell. Uber can be going to hell. Be careful on Uber, okay, guys? Because currently you are at 79.69, and you're in a narrow state. It has more room to fill that gap. Say it's in a wider state or narrow, etc. Say it's. Yeah, I'm working on that. It's hard. It won't let you type in the link. Let me see. There you go. Do you see that link that I just posted? What happens when you click on it? You all on the tube see that link I just posted? That's right, I gotta wait. The delay. The delay. The tube's below. XOM, yes, let's do XOM. That's why everyone on the talk is having going bananas right now. A lot of bans, a lot of suspensions happening because TikTok's getting sued by 13 states for child. What's the word? I forget the name of it. We are in a narrow state on XOM. You're in the whip zone. You got to get over. You can see it. Good. Thank you. At least someone answered. 120.62 to the downside. Keep tapping that screen, traders. 120.62 to the downside. You'll be out of that whip zone. Then you got room down. It has room down to 120.21. And then it has room down to one. Oh, wait till we get back on. I'm going to have fun with them. 119.82 here on XOM. RBA, what's up, baby? What's up, RBA? Hello to our one viewer over there on Kick. Hey, 3 viewers over there on Kick. The screen is small, yeah. Well, do full screen. You can click full screen, JDM. If you click full screen on Click, it'll make it beautiful. Like right now, I'm looking at it. It's more clear. It's actually clearer on Kick than it is on TikTok and YouTube. How do you like those apples? Amazon. I like this Kick over here. You guys are cool, man. What's up, Kick? Say hello. Introduce yourself to the Voss. Whoops. If you're looking to learn how to trade, this is the place to be. I will teach you. Amazon right now, you're in a neutral state. You can position 2 to the upside on this. We head over to the hourly right now. You're hitting these pivot points at 188. All right, 188 hold number. You got your pivots. Your next stop on this will be 188.16 and then 188.50 on Amazon. That's its next stop. It doesn't look too good to the upside right now. You have a lot of pivots to your left, okay? Let me go back over here. Yes, Debbie. Yes, we'll be back on Saturday at 5 p.m. They'll allow me. But right now, my agency is battling with them. Because we didn't do anything wrong. Nothing. Zero. Zip. So we went live yesterday on the talk, normal time. The suspension happened at 5:30. So they used their AI once in a blue moon to pick random people, and they go and view the replay of the live. So it's AI based. Right now, since I'm with an agency, they're getting it manually reviewed by a human. So hopefully in a little while, it'll be taken off and they'll apologize. GEV, there it is, GEV. For all of you here for the first time, hit that subscription. We got to get to 1,000, and then it'll open us up to a lot more things, okay? Currently, how do you like the music? Are you jamming over there? Are you jamming with the tunes? Let me hear it. Hold on. Wow, it's amazing the delay. Wow. We are in position 2 to the upside on this. You are in a wide state on GEV. Be careful here, okay? We head over to the daily and we zoom this back. I mean, you look good. You're at 278 whole number right now. But on GEV right now, you're getting into that wider state, okay? So watch those longs. Watch for pullbacks today, guys. You're getting into wider states. The SPY gapped up. It's going to hit that all-time high pivot probably, so we'll see what we get. Good morning, Jeanette Alvarez. Meta, we'll do Meta now. And then we'll do Tesla. Actually, we got to do Tesla and then Meta. Tesla, then Meta. Welcome anyone who here that is new. We are on Kick for the very first time. We got some viewers over there on Kick. Pretty cool platform, Kick. I got to give them credit. Hopefully they pick up steam over there. And give us a follow over there on Kick. They need some algorithm help, it looks like. Also, right now, the continuous jobless claims are out, and initial jobless claims came in at 241. The consensus was 260. And the previous was 260. So initial jobless claims is lower than projected. We head over here to retail sales, 0.4. Consensus was 0.3. So that came in higher. And if we look at continuous jobless claims, came in at 1.867 million. 1.87 million was the consensus. So that came in a little lower than consensus and a little higher than the previous continuous jobless claims. So that news is out. You have no more news for the rest of the day. So you guys are good with news. We're going to head over here to Tesla. What do we got over here on Tesla? We're in the whip zone. That's what we know right now. We're in the whip zone here on Tesla. It has to get back over 222.22 to the upside, and it has to get under 220.84 to the downside here. And then it will have room up to 223.50. And then can't say it cannot go short because can't say you again. Can't be careful with shorts on Tesla. You got your 8 and 20 in the way right underneath you. That is a major support level. DJ, we got to go down the list here. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Have you gone over Meta? I didn't do Instagram, but we'll do that tomorrow as well, too. All right, that blows. What do we got here on Meta? Narrow. Meta is in a narrow state. Yes, it is. As we come down here on Meta, we are in position 2, heading into position 3 to the upside. Got to be careful now. Meta has a resistance at 584.51 right here with the 20 SMA. It also has resistance at 582.50 before 584.51. So mark that down on Meta. It's narrow. It could get a nice move today. Let's keep going down. Good morning, Jeanette. Good morning, Bobby. The SPY. What do we got here? We have that gap up. It's in a wider state here on the SPY. We head over to the daily on this at right now 585.15. Watch those all-time highs of 585.50. $0.50. All right. We know 70% of all new highs fail, so be careful with that as well. So we'll see what Miss Market wants to give us today on the SPY. Be careful, though. It is in a wider state. I'm getting better at this, traders. It's. Akram, what's up? Akram, are you new? Demetrius, what's up? Amy, TikTok does not want us referencing specific people to do specific things. You have to focus on the stock itself. You cannot focus on you should do this, you should do that, which we don't. This is not trading, investment, or tax advice. This is for educational purposes only, and you must trade at your own risk. They need us to hammer that home over and over again. Also, TikTok is being looked at right now by 13 states. They were just sued for child endangerment. So their AI is on full blast, blocking, banning, suspending people all over the place. So they're on life support. That's why. What else do we got? Microsoft, we did. Tesla, we did. PLTR. We'll go over everything again, traders. Don't worry. But I just want to get to everyone's first time around the horn here. You know what I mean? So we got PLTR. We are currently in You know, you're over the whip zone here at 4209. You're in a wider state on this, okay? Watch on PLTR as it has at 4257. The 20 SMA in its way. So that is resistance there on PLTR. Good morning, 305 cells. Chris, good morning. NVIDIA, yes, we'll do that again. Hugh Manatee, welcome. Go over to the VossTrading.com, Hugh. That is our VIP trading education group and platform. Is $25 a month or $275 for the year. Come in there and you'll see at the VossTrading.com. I put the link in the chat. You'll see everything you get with that. We have live training tonight at 7:15 p.m. Eastern time in our training room in the Discord. Thank you, Yuli. Yeah, so when we talked to TikTok, I was like, what about all these fake accounts they make of everybody? Well, legally, we're not allowed to get rid of them because we have no proof they're fake. So I said, let me get this straight. Okay? I said, you have no proof that those people are fake, but you're telling me on your AI scan 8 hours later after my live that we did something wrong? They didn't know what to say about that. Oh yeah, I was going for the jugular. Up to 3 a.m. we were going bananas. JPM, what do we got here? As my good old wife says, they pissed on the bee's nest. And that is me. I am that bee's nest. 224, whole number to the upside right now here on JPM. You're in a wide state. We know when we're wide, we're not going to get that good momentum. Your next stop on this is 224.50. So you got a lot of pivots coming up. Let me get my my little pen here. See, it's education, everybody. I'm pulling out a pen. Look, see the pen? Right here, you got major resistance. So be careful on JPM. In a wide state as well. So you know what to do. What else do we got? What if I sign up today? Do I still have access to the live tonight? Yes, Yuli, of course. When you join VIP, you have access to everything. So once you join the VIP, Yuli, you go right in 1, 2, 3, and then I will welcome you in the VIP chat, and we'll tell you what to do, how to get started once I get off this live, and we walk you right through it. Good morning, Kenneth Kelly. Who's new in here, by the way, on YouTube and Kick? If you're new, just put me in the chat. I'm curious. MU. Forcekin. Hello, Forcekin. What's wild is these are all different names. I don't know pretty much who the hell anybody is anymore. I find is my wife's like, you're not upset? I go, no. What are you going to do? TikTok's going to be banned in a few weeks anyway. I mean, what am I going to do? Everyone will just come over here. That's what's going to happen. So we want to reach as many people as we can and help them, especially after what all you messaged me yesterday. And I didn't know for a lot of you that messaged me yesterday how much I've helped you. It's wild. And some of you, I didn't even know your wives trade as well. And then they're doing good. And your kids and your uncles. It's like, I was like, what? Holy shit. I love hearing those success stories. Tell me about them. Just email me or put them in the VIP chat. MU, you're in a neutral state right now. Currently, we're at 111.65. We are in position 3 to the upside on this, okay? You're up there. 112 on MU will probably find its resistance there, 112. But let's pull out this hourly and zoom back. I mean, MU on the hourly does have room up to 115. So keep that in mind, 115. So if you get a pullback on MU, and you're pretty neutral and narrow here, MU may run. I'm going to put MU on watch today for a possible... No, I can't do it. I can't do the watch list, guys, but let's just put it this way. MU, I'm looking at MU today, okay? I'm looking at MU. It looks good. I got room on the daily. I got room on the hourly. Look at this. Yeah, the MU's got room. I mean, look at this. You get over 115, and then you got room all the way up to 126 on MU. Woo! That looks good. What do we got here? Cheryl Weiss, welcome. Welcome to Cheryl. How'd you find us on here? Were you on YouTube Shorts and we appeared? How'd you find us, Cheryl? Hello, my candy. Jeanette Alvarez, head over to thevosstrading.com. I'm going to put it in the chat again. periodically, traders, if you could type that in, I would appreciate it. Head over to thevosstrading.com. That's where our VIP educational platform is. It's $25 a month or $275 for the year. Once you sign up, you'll be put right into our education platform. I'll show you it real quick. Can you guys see that? You will unlock the VIP community right here. You will have access to all the education videos pre-recorded. We'll tell you what to watch first, okay? You will also have access to all the live training recordings right over here. Let me move this over, okay? Right over here. And then you will have access to VIP trades. This is where traders will upload their trades. We click this. I mean, how do you get this out of the way? Oh, I got to X this out. Right here, you will upload your trades every day. We will review them for you so you learn. And then the live training room, every Tuesday and Thursday night, we have live training. I can get rid of this now because that's gone. About a half hour before live training, you will see the Zoom link that will be posted there, and you head on in. And you have access to the VIP 24/7 chat, ask questions where everybody is and they talk, and a whole lot more. So head over there to that website. You're welcome, Jeanette. I spent 2 hours this morning watching the live recordings. Great info. Good, JB. Yeah, those live recordings have a lot of good stuff in them. A lot of good stuff. What's TT? That's TikTok, Ez. How we doing over here in Kick World? Hello. Same 3 viewers over there at Kick. MU always got a little something to give. Yes, MU is good. That was my trade yesterday. Good morning, Sublime Air Conditioning Service, Maintenance, and Repair. Good to see you. Go check out Supply Sublime. DJT, Debbie, that's it. I knew I missed one. DJT. I can't believe it's 9 o'clock already. These lives go quick. DJT, you're in the whip zone. Yes, we are in the VIP. You will learn all about the whip zone. You have to get over 31U. There it is again. It's hard. It's hard, man. It has to get over 3150 to the upside on DJT. If it gets over 3150, it has room. Next stop here will be $33 on DJT. On the daily, be careful again. Remember I mentioned off the daily 200, it is major resistance. That's like a brick wall right here, okay, traders? Let me draw this out for you. This here is a brick wall. Right in here, okay? See that? Remember the last time you tried it? Boom, rejection. You do not want to be the trader that tries to knock down that brick wall. What you want to do as a trader is you want others to knock this down. Once you get over that daily and get support, then on the lower time frame, you could find your entry for a move. Let them knock it down, and then you walk right through. You don't be part of the knockdown process because you would have lost $7 a share on this if you tried to become that person, right? Now it's trying to move back up and knock that door again. Will it break through? Possibly, right? The more times it knocks into it, the better chance it has to get over it. HM, what's up, baby? John Johnson, do you mind sending you $25? Well, if you really needed it, I would. Like, if you could prove you really need it, I would. Yes, I like helping people. I have no problem with that. But will I? No. No, I mean, you know, you could be a millionaire for all I know, John Johnson. How we doing, Kick? 3 viewers. Thank you, El Polo Loco. I love it. I love it. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel here on the tubes and on Kick. How many followers we have on Kick? 1? Let me see here. I can't even check, but I think it's 1, right? Well, we got to build it up because they take your live videos and then they save them all there. You can't like post a video like you do on YouTube or TikTok. It's just live videos. Justin Phipps, what's up, baby? AMD, yes, AMD is my beauty queen. I trade AMD first and foremost all the time Currently, we are at 160.58. The problem with AMD is that it has major resistance right here. It has this 20 and 200 in a way at 162.50 and 163.19. So I personally will not be going long into that mess on AMD. We come over here on the 2-minute. We are up there in position 3 on AMD, right? We're all the way up there. AMD traders, fuck it, I'm saying it. If it rejects off of that 200, what do you think you're going to do? It may make its way all the way up to 162.50, and then it may have one hell of a short on its hands, back down. Just a hint, hint, hint. Okay, everybody? Doing good, Justin. Are you a TikToker, or did you find us on YouTube? Thank you, Thomas Gaines. Thomas, you said you're new? You found us on YouTube? Yes, I know what I'm doing, guys. I've been doing this as of April, 21 years. Been trading these markets, so I know what the hell I'm talking about. And this is who I am. I have a good personality. I like to have fun with you guys. I don't want to be sitting here going like this. Okay? The ones that don't get suspended for 3 days. Okay, you're at 156.59. I may tick up a little bit to 157. And then if we come down. And then who the hell wants to listen to that guy or girl? We want to have fun. Let's go. Right? Let's go, Yankees. Tonight, let's take them down. Good job, Dodgers. Good job, Dodgers. It's going to be a Dodger-Yankee World Series. Are you ready for it? We're going to take them down. We're going to take them down, I'm telling you. We're going all the way this year, the Yankees. We are going all the way. Ticker tape parade. I will be there. JDM, are you coming? Anyone have any hooks down in Manhattan that can get me instead of sitting in the street with 5 million mutants that I can, like, sit up in one of those high rises and watch the parade? Paul Miranda, yes, we're back on there at Saturday at 5:30 p.m. Well, hopefully before then. Matter of fact, let me check while we're on here. Let's see what's going on. My agency guys are still sleeping. These TikTokers. Nope, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Internet finally back up. That's great, Jay Revwall. Hope everything's going good over there. Dodgers. No, I mean, I think the Yankees beat up on the Dodgers this year when they played, didn't they? I could be wrong. Hold on. We'll get back to stocks in 1 second, everybody. I have to look this up now. I could be wrong. I don't know. Yankees beat the Dodgers 6-4. Dodgers beat the Yankees 11-3. And then the Dodgers beat the Yankees 2-1. Damn, they took 2 out of 3. I was at one of these games. No, I wasn't. I got rid of my season tickets. That was last year, the last time they played. 11-3, 6-4. Going to be good. Dodgers have no pitching, though. That's their problem. Good morning, Lamir Enos. Good, Thomas. Okay. Been with you a while. TikTok. Okay. All right. What's good? Christian Pena. Good morning. TT. Good to see you. Keep tapping that screen, guys. Keep tapping. Keep tapping. Keep tapping. How are our Kick family doing? Same 3 viewers. Man, it's amazing how terrible YouTube, Kick, and all the other algorithms are. Why don't they change it to be like TikTok? Like, that would be the first thing I would do. I would be like, let's copy them. Yep. Copy them with a little twist, a little lemon twist on it. Allison, good morning to you, Allison. All right, let's check the SPY out. Ooh, I like those pancakes, Allison. Man, those look good. That's a good emoji. Look at that thing. Oh, look, I could put users in timeout or remove them. Add as a moderator. Hold on, this is easy. Wait a minute. JDM, are you over here? Wait a minute. You are. All right, so JDM, add as a moderator. Bam. Can review and remove chat messages and hide or put users in timeout. That's it. Damn, that's 1 down. Powder. Add as a moderator. Bam, that's 2 down. Who else is on here? Any other moderators that are usually on TikTok? Let me know, and I'll add you. Boeing, let's go, Boeing. Yes, it is. Powder and JDM, you're now moderators on the tubes. I'll figure it out on Kick another day. Well, we have nobody. I think you guys are the only ones over there anyway. So, what did he say over here? Same here. Getting ready for the market open. Hello, hey Powder. I see you guys are funny. Boeing right now, you're in the whip zone. It has to get back over 155 to the upside on this. On the hourly, it's over the 200, which is good. So you're gonna have major support there for Boeing. All right, and we pull this back. You're in a neutral state, so Boeing does have some room to go. We'll see what it wants to do on this. On the daily, we pull this back. You get over that whip zone. It starts to get a little dicey here. All right, you got a lot of pivots in this area on Boeing on the daily, so be careful there, okay? Remember, this is not trading, investment, or tax advice. This is for education purposes only, to teach you how to possibly trade the markets. That's what we do. That is what we do. Let me head over to here. And let me go down to here. Yeah, it's pretty much ass. One other person in here, say hi. That's funny. Can't find you on Kick. Kick, I am, well, a lot of you have Kick. I am the Voss Trading. Go to search the Voss Trading. I got to put official and take the out, but we'll do that. Microsoft. How many of you have Kick? YouTubers, how many here have Kick? Put me in the chat. I'm just curious. I need to know how many have Kick. They say it's like really like getting big. That's what she said. Microsoft right now, we are in a neutral state. Where are we at here? We are 419.81. Watch that 420 whole number. You are in position 3 on Microsoft in that neutral to wide state. Be careful. All right. You also have the 200 moving average at 422.64 on the hourly on Microsoft. Deanna has it. Kevin Curtis. I think Deanna's the only one. Carrie, hold on, another moderator. Wait a minute, Carrie. I got you. Add as a moderator. Carrie is now a moderator on the tubes. Yes, she is. Twitch, yeah, I can do Twitch. I already have an account. I set it all up. Is Twitch better than YouTube? Like, does Twitch. Does Twitch does Twitch push you out more than YouTube does? Like, that's the question of the day. You know what I'm saying? Mark Meza, good to see you. Good to see you, Mark Meza. Thank you, JDM, for following, and Brad James for the follow, and Powder for the follow. Head over to Kick, everybody. Follow us over there. If you get enough viewers, they give you an hourly rate like a paycheck. Who does, JDM? Twitch? Well, am I clearer on YouTube or Kick? Now, don't forget, on Kick, you got to make full screen. Or you can do picture-in-picture, all right, on Kick. But with the paycheck, I don't need a paycheck. I just need to be pushed out like a baby. For live streaming Twitch. All right, we'll get on Twitch tomorrow. I can get on any of them. So it's not like TikTok discoverable algorithm. Yeah, TikTok is its own league. But I think they're going to start, YouTube is making a lot of changes to their platform. They started with YouTube Shorts. Now they're making YouTube Shorts up to 3 minutes. And now they're working on battle. You know, on TikTok, people battle each other. YouTube is putting that together, I heard. All right. Never heard of Kick. I didn't either, Todd. Tesla. All right, here on Tesla, we have 70 people in the YouTube room. Over here on Twitch, we have 5 viewers. On Kick, we have 5 viewers. Tesla right now, you are in a neutral state. It's at 222.29. On the hourly right now, it has room up to 223. All right, on Tesla, and then it has room up to 224. Those are the key levels. If Tesla can get over 224, we know that it has a gap to fill here. So, that gap most likely will get filled. So keep that in mind. SPY is in... SPY's in 3, yep. And it's in a neutral to wide state also. If we head over to the daily here on SPY, you are at all-time highs right now. Remember, 70% of all new highs will fail, all right? You're starting to get far away from that 8 on the daily. Keep that in mind. Your 8 and 20 are close together, though, so it does have room to the upside. Just be careful as you get farther away from that 8. Remember, if you are using your 8 SMA on all your time frames, you have to remember something. The 20 is the boss, okay? A lot of you like to take trades off that 8 on the 2 or 2 minute time frame. You will get stopped out a lot. Wait for it to come back to that 20. What you really, and we're going to talk about this in the VIP tonight, in the training tonight, really dialing in on the 2, 3, and 5 minute. I'm going to show you guys some stuff and that 8 moving average because a lot of you don't know how to use it properly if you're using it. Go live at the same time for more reach. Yeah, that's what we're doing, SSJX. Right now we're on Kick and YouTube. Tomorrow we'll be on Kick, YouTube, and Twitch. And then YouTube and Instagram sucks my ass, so we'll probably never do that again. But it's first day, guys. So, and we have, 84 people in here. So consistency is gold. Can't go live on TikTok as well. SSJ, so what TikTok does is they want you to use TikTok Live Studio. They will give you a stream key if you have an agency, which I do. But they will not push you out like they do if you use their software. So when we use a stream key, they don't push you out as much. And another thing also, if TikTok doesn't get banned, this is all lights out. Kick, YouTube, Twitch. Because TikTok's going to really get rolling. They're going to know they're protected now. I'm telling you. Look out. But if they do get banned, then everyone is just waiting to see what happens. My parents keep trying to spank me, but I'm in 22 right now. Nishant Piaz. I don't know what the hell that means. Good morning, JDH. Who's JDH? Is that JDM? No, that's not JDM. But we will be back on TikTok Saturday after around 5 p.m. as well. YouTube, yeah, Dwayne. Yep. I mean, YouTube's got 1 billion people. Twitch has what? 100 million? TikTok isn't getting banned. Well, now with the 13 states suing them for child endangerment, I don't know. If the government will do what it wants, always. They have the last laugh. Kate, what's up, my Kate? Making you a mod here. Ready? You're now a mod, Kate, on the tubes. Carry. Oh, good. All the mods are in blue now. Flex, JDA, what's up, my Flexi? JDH, that's like JDM. What was with all these names, guys? There she is. Carrie, okay, you're in blue, you're in blue. Very nice. I likey. I likey over here. Flex. Subscribe if you are new here, which you probably aren't. But if you are new, subscribe to the channel. El Polo Loco. Mark M. Kick is nice. You also have to enable the GIFs. Oh, you can send GIFs on Kick. Hold on. Everyone go over to Kick. How do you enable GIFs? Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. Emotes only chat. Oh, yeah, they're following TikTok. You can see this right now. The settings are exactly the same. Slow mode, follow only chat. How do you turn on GIFs? Well, they can copy it all they want. They got to figure out the algorithm. That's where the golden goose is. Mod actions. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. And you can sub. What does that mean? Like a sub? Like a with a little mozzarella, a little gabagool, a little lettuce on there on some nice Italian hard bread? That sub. Hold on, I'm coming back, YouTube. I like TikTok platform better. Yeah, we all do. We didn't choose to be here, Flex. We got suspended for 3 days that my agency is currently working on because they said there's no reason why. I've been saying the same shit for a year. All right. Remember Corrado Soprano in the Sopranos? He said to Tony, "I've been farting in the same chair for 40 years. I've been saying the same shit on here for a year." Jeanette, yes, I think I'm going to do them all. We're going to figure it all out. Don't worry. I promise. You will be going live on YouTube from that one. It's like the TikTok. All right, we're going to go over real quick. It is now 9:17. So let's look at the SPY. Let's get back to business, okay? Don't forget, VIPers, tonight we have live training, okay? Live training tonight. The VossTrading.com is where you go to get in the VIP. You could check out in the chat. On the Kick, people over there on Kick, can you put the VossTrading.com in the chat? Let's see if it comes up. SPY right now, you are in a neutral to wider state right here. You have all-time highs right now. Look for a pullback, okay? The rubber band's starting to get stretched here. On AMD, we're going to head over. AMD, your 20's got to catch up to your 200. You're in position 3 to the upside. You also on the daily on AMD is lurking right there. And the 20 on the daily. That is major resistance level right there, okay? We're going to head over to Amazon. Amazon right now, I also saw a lot of VIPers take some trades yesterday without looking at the higher time frames. Make sure you look at those higher time frames before entering a trade, because when I'm reviewing all your trades now, I also have the charts up for all the time frames. 188.02 right now on Amazon. You're in position 3. You're up there. Hold number 188, neutral to wide state on this. I would stay away from longs as well. As we head over to Google, Google's more in a neutral state than a wide state. You're in position 2. We head over to the hourly here on Google. It has room up to 167.30. 167.30. Got a lot of resistance over here as you make your way up to Google. I will stay away from longs on that as well. It's going to be a wait and see type of day, guys, okay? We head over to Uber. Uber's in a narrow state. It looks good. Also, remember here on Uber traders, it has more of a gap to fill. You're under the 8. Okay, your next stop is right down here to fill that gap at 78.46 on the daily there on Google. We head over to Tesla. Tesla right now, you are in position 1 to the upside. Tesla's in a neutral state, okay? On the 1 hourly here on Tesla, you have room up to 223.35, and then it has room up to 224. If you get over 224.40, 224.50, it has room to close that gap at 232 on Tesla. Thank you all so much. We will be back on same bat time, same bat place on YouTube tomorrow and on Kick and maybe Twitch. So give us a follow on Kick. Give us a follow on Twitch. Go like all the videos, too, that you see in YouTube. Like and comment on those, please. And I will keep you posted about TikTok, all right? We're going to be back on Saturday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And then I will be making a backup TikTok account as well. So I'll need you all to go follow there so we get over 1,000 followers on the backup so we can go live on that one. So just in the Discord, we will keep you posted. I love you all so much. Be patient today. Look for pullbacks at all-time highs. We're in wide states. Be careful. Trade smart. Patience is everything. VIPers, we will see you tonight in VIP training. And have a great day, everybody. Love you all.